All right, this is a quick tutorial about how to connect your custom domain to the platform. And this will allow you to move the platform into your branded domain. So it's a fully white label experience for your clients. And so your clients do not recognize that we are in the backend and the platform seems 100% your platform. So it's very easy to connect a domain. You simply go to this section and you choose in which subdomain you want to place the platform. For example, I own the domain yoursas.bits. All right, and I want to move the platform to app.yoursas.bits. So here I write app, and here I write yoursas.bits. And of course, I do not have to have any other DNS with this name here. I don't have to have any other CNAME with this name here. Because if I already have something into app.yoursas.bits, it means that I cannot add anything. So this subdomain has to be free. You cannot connect a subdomain where you already have, for example, another platform or another website, whatever. This subdomain has to be free. All right, and I click connect. And now the platform is going to generate a DNS record that I have to add into my hosting panel. And I will show you in a minute how to do it. Let's wait a few seconds. All right. You see that, let me go back to domain. You see that this CNAME has just been generated. All right. The status is pending because, of course, we haven't added anything yet. And so we have to go to our hosting panel, which is the place where we bought our domain. For example, I bought this domain into Namecheap. So here I am into Namecheap, into my account. I enter in my domain settings, and I have to look for the DNS zone. Of course, if you bought your domain into another hosting platform, like, for example, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Google Domains, of course, the interface is different, but the process is the identical. So you have just to enter into your domain settings, and you have to look for the DNS area. All right, and you have to look for a place where you can add the DNS records. Because what we have to do is we have to add a single DNS record. Specifically, we have to add a CNAME. All right. So you have to look for the place where you can add a CNAME. And as you can see here, we have just to add the two simple things, the host and the value. All right. And we find them here. So this is the host app. So we just copy it and paste it. And this is the value. All right. So we copy and we paste it here. And we confirm. All right. Then we go back here and we click on verify DNS. Of course, the DNS propagation is not immediate. So if I click here, you will see that we're not going to find the DNS. You see, DNS propagation is still in process. So you have to wait usually 5 minutes. So come back to this section after 5 minutes, go to get a coffee, whatever, and click verify DNS after 5 minutes. And you will see this light becomes green and the status become active. When the light is green and the status is active, it means that the platform is live under your domain here. So this is your new login screen. So this is the place where your clients will log in. Of course, you as agency, you do not log in from this domain here. So you as agency always log in from my.climbo.com, all right, with the email that you use to sign up. So to access to this agency mode here, you always have to go to my.climbo.com and you use the email that you use to sign up to log into this agency mode. But your clients will always log in from here. So if you have to send the login page to your clients, this is the link. This is the link also that you have to copy and paste in your website under the login button. So in your website, you will have the login button that redirects to this place here. So the clients that you add will use their email to log in. And yeah, so the agency mode stays on my.climbo.com. The clients mode stays on your custom domain. Let me see if we have the status active. All right, so it took less than 5 minutes. And yeah, so the platform is live, so green light. So it's under your custom domain, so fully white label experience for you. And your clients will perceive the platform as your platform developed by you.